What's up guys, this is Acog, and today I'm bringing you my second Angry Bird design. This one is the yellow Angry Bird, and for those of you who didn't know, I was live streaming while I made this, so I think I'm going to be live streaming for every bird I do. On this one I didn't give too much of a notice, which is why it didn't turn out too well, so I'll try to give you guys as long of a notice as I can as to when the live stream will be, and I'll be answering questions or maybe showing you guys how I do some of this stuff if you're interested. So be sure to check that out. And also I wanted to let you guys know I just got partnered by Full Screen Network, so I'll leave a link to their website and YouTube channel in the description. It's a really great network, and I'm glad they could help me out with a partnership. So be sure to check them out, and enjoy the rest of the video.
Early evening, April 4, shot rings out in the Memphis sky. Free at last, they took your life, they